Hi everyone, I'm Valentina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another very special POLENE unboxing. This is my third POLENE bag ever since that I purchased the first one, which was POLENE NUMERO 10. I fell in love with the design and the quality. I don't know what is it with these bags, but they're so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and open it. This one arrived. I waited for this one for the whole eternity. It was a pre-order, so I think it was about a month and a half before it arrived. Okay, so here it is. This is Cyme, POLENE's tote bag. I needed something bigger where I can fit my laptop and all of my things if I'm traveling, or you know, something that I can just wear more stuff in it. This is the box. So here it is. There is the dust bag, and then here is the bag. Here is the little recycled paper with the bag information and the ways that you can carry it in French and in English. I will open the bag right now and see all of the ways that it can be worn. So as I've said, the dust bag, oh, it's pretty big. And here it is. It looks much bigger on the camera. Now that I have it here with me, it doesn't actually look so big as it does on the photos and videos. I think that it looked huge in some pictures and videos, and now that I have it here, it actually looks smaller. Unlike the NUMERO 9 mini that looks pretty big on the photos, and then in person it's really small. This bag actually looks much smaller in person. I mean, it is a tote bag. You can compare it with my hand and my face, of course, but yeah, it's not so big. I'm gonna compare it with my laptop in a second so you can see how big it is. I'm just gonna take out these things that are inside. Okay, the bag has the same feel as NUMERO 10, and also from the inside it also feels the same, so I kind of feel like I already have this bag. It is pretty thin leather. It comes with this this is cute. This is for like smaller items. Let me see how it looks from inside. Yeah, so it's similar. It's not the same as the inside of the bag, but it is very similar. It is detachable. This is how it looks from inside. Again, it looks pretty huge. And then there is also this little paper. Cyme, POLENE Cyme, it's a maintenance advice. It basically says that is leather, and to maintain its original appearance, avoid exposure to direct light, heat, and contact with water, grease, perfumes, dark colors that may bleed. If wet, absorb excess with a soft cloth and let it dry. It is not necessary to apply a cleaning cream. Do not overload the bag. Store in dust bag, and if required, POLENE offers a repair service. Okay, so it does look kind of weird from inside, like it's not a regular bag shape because of these stitchings that it has on the sides of the bag. Here are the magnets that change the sides of the bag. They work really well. Maybe now compared with my body, you can actually see that it's not so big. I'm gonna try and put it in a different shape. I don't know, this neither feels like extremely big. I prefer the bag to be in this shape. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna compare it with my laptop. My laptop is 13 inches. As you can see, it's almost like the size of my laptop. It is bigger, but it's not, you know, I feel like this laptop is pretty small, so it's not huge. I'm gonna put it inside with its case. This is my laptop sleeve. I always wear it in this. Let's try to put this thing in. Okay, I'd say this fits perfectly. It's right here near the upper edges, but it can fit without any problem. It is kind of heavy though. I'll add more things in it to see how it's going to affect the shape of the bag. So besides my laptop, I'm gonna put my iPad, my makeup bag, my wallet and my AirPods, and a book that I'm reading currently. With all of this inside, I can't close the bag, and this is how it looks from the side. I think this is too much for the bag. I could maybe take out the book, and it's really heavy as well, so I think this is maybe too much. The bag shape still stays the same because I have the laptop on this side. Here, however, you can see that I have small things here in the end, so I don't think this is really good for the bag. Here is the little POLENE logo, so I think this is the maximum that I will be carrying here. This is how it looks like on me. Since this is very nice, elegant, and thinner leather, I don't think I will be carrying that much stuff in it. Although it can fit a laptop, I think that should be the heaviest thing that is inside of the bag. I was also wondering before I purchased this bag if maybe I could wear it on the airport, but I don't think so because it is... That's why. Those were my AirPods. Obviously, I wouldn't put these just like that inside of the bag. I would put them in my makeup bag. I usually have them in my makeup bag, but I forgot to take them out. So yeah, that's exactly why. If I were to carry this bag on the airport, everything inside, smaller items should be packed in smaller bags inside because it is very easy that they drop out from here. So as I've said, there is the little logo right here, and then there is another one right here, and then maybe there are some other smaller ones, but that's everything that I can see for now. The bag feels so nice just touching the handle. You can feel the quality just touching this thin handle. I think the only negative thing about it was that I needed to wait for such a long time for it to arrive. I've never purchased anything in my life and waited for it for like 2 months. I don't think that you have another option with these bags. I guess that they're just selling them like crazy. I am very happy with my purchase. Let's see how this bag serves me. So yeah, I think that the only thing that surprised me that was different from what I've seen online, I haven't ever seen this bag in person, is that it's not as big as I've thought. So maybe if you have a dilemma, because I did, about getting this one and the mini version, I would definitely choose the original version, because as I've said and as you've seen, compared with my laptop, it's a bit bigger than my laptop in total. I'm gonna show you again the comparison with my laptop in its sleeve, so you can see it's almost the same size. Thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe you can let me know down below in the comments what is your favorite pollen design. I have my eyes on the NUMERO NEUF in regular size. I have this one in mini size in sandalwood. I use it so often. It's so beautiful and so practical, but it is mini, so I can't fit a lot of stuff inside. And besides that, I can't fit so many stuff. I just feel like it doesn't have the same effect as it would maybe have in a bigger size. So I am looking to get the regular size for my next purchase. Meanwhile, I'm going to enjoy this beauty. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.